What's up guys, it's CC Alexis and I'm back with a new hair video of the large perm rods. I don't know if this considered as a fail because, well, one of the prods broke and I had to use one of my medium rods to add a little touch with this. So here's what the video looks like. I'm only gonna talk for a few because my throat doesn't feel too well. Alright, so enjoy the video and let's see what the results are. Thank you.
My troubles disappear, it's magic. The way your little fingertips make my heart do double flips, it's magic. And when you smile at me that way, you can warm the coldest day, it's magic. It's magic, magic. And even when you're gone I find I hear you laughing in my mind. It's magic. It's magic, magic. And all I...
Okay, so here's what it actually looks like for the first one I took out. I mean, the first one, it looks okay, but I think half of the products is like in my hair. So this is how it looks like in the first rod that been took out. Here's the second one, which I thought it was gonna get uglier. And I thought, oh my god, I thought it wasn't gonna go well as I wanted it. I mean, I was too scared to what it will look like. So I took the rest of them out. You see the medium rods I had on because due to the other, the large perm rods, well, it kind of broke because the rubber bands, well, it got out, so it broke. See, I look so crazy. So I use like a hair oil, some shea moisture to like separate the curls piece by piece.
It's magic, magic. And when you want me, you just clap your hands.
So I don't know if this is good or not good, but I guess once I grow my hair like a lot more, it'll be like big curls of what I expected. Well, I kind of like it actually. At least I try to do a little touch up to see how it looks. So I tried my best. I think I failed it, guys, so I'm really sorry if I disappoint you guys.
Give in. You cast a spell on all my nights and days with your...
So guys, that was it. I hope you like or give a subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CC Alexis, Snapchat CC Alexis 22, and it might be more videos I might be doing unboxing, Seoul box or Korea box, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, appreciate it, bye.
Magic ways, my friend. You love the girl